In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a column chart with a quota or target line in Power BI. This skill is highly useful for visualizing performance against set goals, which can be especially helpful in business settings where tracking against targets is crucial. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open Power BI if you haven't already. Take a moment to get everything set up, making sure you're in a comfortable workspace, as this will make the process smoother. Once Power BI is up and running, it's time to import your data. This step is where you'll bring in the dataset that contains the information you wish to visualize. Whether you're importing from an Excel file, a database, or another source, ensure your data is well prepared and clean for the best results. You want to avoid any messiness in your dataset that could detract from your final visualization. With your data successfully imported, the next step involves navigating to the Visualization tab in Power BI. Here, you'll find a range of chart options, but for our purposes today, we'll be focusing on the column chart. Scan through the options and identify the column chart type that best suits your visualization goals. This is a crucial step, as different column charts can emphasize various aspects of your data. Classic column charts are great for simplicity, but if your aim is to compare specific categories or trends over time, there may be a particular version that better fits your needs. Once you've selected the column chart, you'll want to configure it to reflect your data dimensions accurately. Typically, you'll drag and drop fields into the axis, legend, and values areas of the Power BI interface. The axis represents what you're measuring, such as time or categories, and your values area is the numerical aspect of your data that you are evaluating against those dimensions. Now, the crux of our task today, adding a quota or target line to your chart. This line will act as a benchmark against which you can measure your data. To do this, you'll add a constant line through the Analytics pane. If your data includes a predefined quota or target, you can adjust the target line to this numeric value. Otherwise, you can set a custom target that aligns with your specific objectives. This visual indicator is essential for quickly assessing whether your results are meeting expectations, falling short, or surpassing set targets. Remember that clarity is key in visualizations. Make sure your chart, including the target line, is labeled correctly and intuitively. You can customize colors, labels, and legend entries to enhance readability and ensure your audience can easily interpret the data. And just like that, you've created a column chart with a target line in Power BI, a powerful tool to present your data insights in an engaging and informative way.